everyone, welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Recovery of money from illegal ore mineral development plan and renewal of leases to be focus areas of amended mining policy, a special report. Cerula Comunidad says they never planned for a rehabilitation project. Ask Panchayat to revoke already given license. Gaukars file encroachment complaint. Kamdhenu scheme sees death of 332 cows in 2 years. Experts say Goan environment not suitable for hybrid cows. Domestic ones more suitable. No more drink and drive. Police tighten noose around booze drivers. Over 500 booked in a month. Vehicles seized. More alcometers to intensify drive. And Gokulashtami celebrated in Goa with a lot of enthusiasm. Kids carry kana in a procession. Festival to culminate by breaking dahi handis. Now the news in details. Recovery of illegal ore money, mineral development and renewal of leases are expected to be the three major focus points of the amended mining policy of the government. The Chief Minister is expected to present broad outline and policy direction in the Assembly on Monday for discussion. Here is a report on what the policy can contain, a Prudent exclusive.
After specific verdict from the High Court, Goa government is expected to draft amended mining policy in 3 phases. Recovery of money from mining companies, mineral development and environment study, renewal of leases as per Supreme and High Court order. In first phase, Goa government will attempt to recover money from the mining companies who extracted ore post 2007. He is expected to derive a formula for the same. The recovery could be calculated based on profits earned by mining companies. During recovery, government may also consider environment impact assessment report. Excess ore production and encroachment by the mining companies could be taken into account. Second point of policy will talk about the mineral development and environment study. This part may focus on developing and exploiting mineral resources in scientific and sustainable manner, taking into account the interest of the state, people and environment. It may also carry out geological mapping of mineral resources to minimize adverse effect of major mineral development on the environment and ecology through appropriate preventive and control measures. In last phase, policy may talk about the renewal of mining leases. Leases of those lessees who paid stamp duty can be renewed in the first phase. High Court has directed the state government to execute renewal of these mining leases. 28 lessees have paid the stamp duty. Government will also consider employment to locals, infrastructural development in mining affected areas and development of resources for the smooth functioning in mining areas and prevention of accident in mining areas. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Another shocking scam is surfacing on Cerula Comunidad land. The Comunidad has claimed that they never planned for a rehabilitation project with shops and residential flats on their land. Moreover, they have asked the Panchayat to revoke the license given to the project, stating that some unknown person acquired it fraudulently in Cerula Comunidad's name. 5 Gaukars have filed an encroachment complaint with the police. Minister Dilip Paralekar's name is mentioned in the rehabilitation plan.
The Cerula Comunidad is clouded in another controversy. Now, the Comunidad says never planned for a rehabilitation project on its land. The project houses residential flats and shops. A complaint has been filed by 5 Gaukars of the Cerula Comunidad. Comunidad members have demanded revocation of construction license of survey number 379/1. The complaint copy has been attached to Administrator of Comunidad, Porvorim Police Station and to the government. Tourism Minister Dilip Paralekar's name is mentioned in the rehabilitation project. Now, Comunidad has claimed that an unknown person fraudulently acquired construction license for survey number 379/1. Comunidad claims that they have not undertaken any such construction in this property, nor they have any documents pertaining to this construction. Comunidad has asked the Panchayat to revoke the construction license immediately and stop the ongoing construction. Earlier, NCP spokesperson Trajano Di Mello had highlighted the scam. Bureau Report, Prudent.
One Kamdhenu cow dies in every 2 to 3 days. The Kamdhenu Sudharit scheme seems to have yielded misery more than the milk to the farmers. Out of 4,226 imported hybrid cows, 332 cows have died due to illness in a span of just 1 to 2 years. The ambitious scheme came into force in the year 2012. But till now, no farmer is happy with the scheme. ICAR scientists claim that the climate in Goa is not favorable for these hybrid cows and government should focus on breeding domestic cows to reverse this situation. Here is the report.
Goa government has introduced various schemes to encourage farmers to promote the dairy business. One of them is Kamdhenu Sudharit scheme. This scheme provides financial assistance to farmers to buy hybrid cows. But the government statistics speaks a different story. The figures from the Animal Husbandry Department say government has spent more than 16 crores to purchase 4,226 hybrid cows in past 2 years. But production of milk did not increase as per expectation to meet daily requirement of the state. Prudent recently had exposed how animal husbandry officials along with Dalals loot and cheat the state and dairy farmers by pushing low-yielding cows at exorbitant rates at the cattle melas. Now have a look. Animal Husbandry Department has given 40% subsidy to farmers on purchase of each hybrid cows. From 2012 to 14, government has spent 16 crores 15 lakhs and 900 rupees to purchase 4,226 hybrid cows. Now take a look. In Pedne, farmers purchased 543 cows by spending 2 crore 34 lakhs. Farmers in Bicholi have bought 1,337 cows for 4 crore 44 lakhs 48,600 rupees. Farmers in Kankon have purchased 38 cows worth 1,71,300 rupees. In Mormugaon, 17 cows for 6,90,000. In Ponda, 422 cows bought for rupees 1 crore 86 lakhs 14,500. Farmers in Sange bought 531 cows for rupees 2 crores 26 lakhs 25,500. In Sattari, 1,016 cows were bought for 3 crore 56 lakhs 82,850 rupees, and in Kepe 322 cows for rupees 1 crore 43 lakhs 9,150. Out of 4,226 cows, nearly 322 cows died due to illness within couple of years. Prudent contacted ICAR to know the reason behind the mortality of cows. Goa ICAR Chief NP Singh said climate of Goa is not suitable for these hybrid cows. State government should focus on breeding of local cows.
Actually, whatever breed we are purchasing, that is after 1 to lactation we are facing a problem, and there is some disease also. So government should not bring the material from outside, but we can't force government. We are always giving advice that you can have your own material, and then after that you can you can bring some genetic stock, maintain here, and then you give their heifers to the farmers. And they are purchasing from outside, and it is not working after 1 lactation. This is a problem.
Opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane, as a dairy farmer too, feels the same.
इतको खर्च तुम्ही सगळं करूंक सोदतात. भायरसूनय गोरवां हाडटात. तुम्ही नुकतेच म्हटल्यात हावसान की बरी गोरवां कोण विकिना. भायर तीच परिस्थिती आहा. जी भायर जी गोरवां विकतात ती बरी गोरवां कोण विकिना. Some have problems gynaecally inside.
After spending crores of rupees on hybrid cows and the subsidies, state dairy sector has failed to meet the milk demand in the state. Goa Dairy is still importing 22,000 litres of milk per day from the neighbouring states. The Kamdenu Sudarit scheme, as figures speak, is still a white elephant. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.